Chapter beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my digital papers advent calendar 2024. I'm going to be doing a freebie a day throughout the month of December, so starting from the 1st up to the 24th of December, and then you get a very special one on Christmas Day, which you're going to receive a very large paper pack. Okay, so this is my way to say thank you to every single one of you for your continued support throughout all this year. And this is a series I do every single year on my channel. The freebie will be available on my Facebook group, so follow the link at the end of the video. So let's start and show you the freebie for today. Day number 4, it's this lovely page designed from one of my newest digital paper collection called Love from Far East. Is a background when I put this lovely geisha and the pagoda, and I played with the writing on the background and some of the cherry blossom paper. Let me quickly show you the papers that been designed from. It's quite a large kit, it's quite a lot of papers. Just gonna go very quickly. You've got a couple of backgrounds with the lanterns, the ephemera, another pagoda there, this one here, the statue and the soldiers. This page has been designed. You guys, can do anything you want, but you can either color it or you can fussy cut it and use as an embellishment. It's black and white. A couple of pockets for your journals, envelopes, so you've got a scallop envelope and a normal envelope, some more pockets, 2 embellishments you can use to make little hidden paper clips or even some stamps. This could be like a washi tape, so you can just cut them each individual band. Another background, and that you can use as an entirety, or can you actually fussy cut this 4 rectangle as well. It's completely up to you guys. Same for these. Another background with umbrellas, and then another background with these. Now let me show you where you guys can find the freebie on my Facebook group. Okay guys, so this is my Facebook group, AntonioMakes. This is the banner of the group, so you make sure it's me. So on my Facebook group you see the freebie I shared, and also all other talented crafters that showcase their work using my papers, but not necessarily. They use their own papers as well. Lovely messages, project shares, my videos, etc. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. You can either click on recent media and then you will see everything that is being shared. To find my freebie, if you click on file, you'll see everything I have shared on here. Okay, so this is all the freebies, literally going back to the Christmas ones, etc. So please go help yourself. What you do, so this is the name of the freebie. If you click on the 3 dots, you click on download, and the PDF will be downloaded into your computer or iPad, whatever you're using. Okay guys, so throughout the month of December you can use the code ADVENT, and I'll put here on the screen, ADVENT 2024, to get 30% off everything on my website, including the kit that you just saw today, but also my workshop, my ebook, all my digital papers, etc. I'm going to go guys. Thank you so much for watching. Big thumbs up if you like this video. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube, and I will see you tomorrow for another freebie. Mwah. Bye.